welcome back to the channel. It's Jeff here. I'm here with Faye. She's gonna be taking me out in the R8 Spyder.
So today we're going to be driving a R8 Spyder. It's a V10. Audi is going to come out with a V10 Plus later next year. And this vehicle is equipped with LED headlights, laser beam lights actually, magnetic ride, and interior we have sport bucket seats here with a red leather and some carbon fiber trims even on the hood. And then the price will be starting at $185,000 for the V10 and $210,000 for the V10 Plus.
Where do you put your beverages?
So interesting. It's actually right here.
Ah, there you go.
Yep.
The Germans think of it.
Yes, and some secret compartments right here. And right here. Okay. Here's your R8 compartment.
Perfect for your duffel bag for long weekends away.
Alright, Jeff, we're ready to go?
Let's do it.
Okay.
We're live. Driving fantastic. I'm barely touching the gas pedal and I'm shooting down the road trying not to get a ticket here. I am in sport dynamic mode right now. It's pretty fantastic. All in all, great day at Audi. Testing out the R8 Spyder. So Faye, we're back in one piece on the Audi Sport Tour in the R8 Spyder. Thank you so much for taking me out here.
My pleasure.
That was awesome. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want to see more car videos, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know. We're going to be test driving a lot. You know, we got Mike from Audi here as well that has a lot of real estate properties. He'll take me out. They'll take me out. And we will go see what Audi has in store for us.
All right.
All right. See you on the next video. Bye.